Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate Sundance Now on your smart Blu-ray player, follow these step-by-step instructions to stream independent films and series. Step 1. Turn on your smart Blu-ray player and make sure it's connected to your home internet network. Verify your connection in the network settings. Step 2. Navigate to the Apps or Streaming Services section of your Blu-ray player's menu. This is typically accessible from the main home screen. Step 3. Search for the Sundance Now app in the available applications. Use the search function or browse through entertainment and streaming categories. Step 4. Download and install the Sundance Now app on your Blu-ray player. Wait for the installation process to complete. Step 5. Open the Sundance Now app once installation is finished. You'll see options to start a free trial or sign in if you already have a subscription. Step 6. Select Sign In or Activate Device. An activation code will be displayed on your TV screen along with a website URL. Step 7. Using a computer or mobile device, visit the Sundance Now activation website at sundancenow.com/activate or the URL shown on your screen. Step 8. Enter the activation code displayed on your TV and sign in with your Sundance Now account credentials. If you don't have an account, you can subscribe during this process. Your Blu-ray player will refresh automatically, and you can start watching critically acclaimed independent content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.